Now come to the sound waves. Sound wave is also a form of energy which gives us the sensation of hearing. Sound wave is a longitudinal wave. It is a longitudinal. It can be transferred. It can be propagated in solid, liquid and gas. Velocity of sound is maximum in solid and minimum in liquid. It is propagated. It is propagated in the form of compression and rarefaction. It is elastic or mechanical wave. Which requires material medium for propagation. इसमें हम एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं कि जैसे किसी मून पर कोई एक्सप्लोजन होता है, कोई बम ब्लास्ट होता है, तो उसकी साउंड हम अर्थ तक या उससे दूर आसपास नहीं सुनाई देती, बिकॉज देर इज नो एनी मीडियम, एयर मीडियम अराउंड द मून. एटमॉस्फेयर जब वहां पर नहीं है तो विदाउट एटमॉस्फेयर वहां से साउंड का प्रोपगेशन दूर तक नहीं होता, तो वहां से कोई भी साउंड बाहर की ओर नहीं जा पाती. रेंज ऑफ हियरिंग ऑफ साउंड. Range of hearing is for normal human ear is 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. It is 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz, or we can say 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. दोनों एक ही चीज है. We cannot hear the sounds of frequencies less than 20 Hz or more than 20 kilohertz. The sound less than 20 Hz is called infrasound. Infrasonic sound. And sound greater than 20 kilohertz is called ultrasonic. We can't able to hear this type of sound less than 20 Hz and 20 kilohertz, greater than 20 kilohertz. We cannot hear the sound less than 20 Hz and greater than 20 kilohertz. ओल्ड एज में अपर लिमिट काफ़ी कम हो जाती है, जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि 20 किलो हर्ट्ज से ऊपर हम नहीं सुन पाते, 20 किलो हर्ट्ज तक सुन लेते हैं, जबकि जो ओल्ड एज वाले लोग होते हैं, जो एल्डर्स हैं, वो 10 टू 12 किलो हर्ट्ज तक सुन पाते हैं, उससे ऊपर वो नहीं सुन पाते, तो उनकी जो अपर लिमिट है वो कम हो जाती है. एंड ऑडिबल रेंज जो है वो उनकी थोड़ी सी नैरो हो जाती है कंपेरेटिवली द नॉर्मल ह्यूमन ईयर के। तो दिस इज ऑडिबल रेंज। Now come to the some definitions related to the waves. Characteristics of sound waves. Characteristics of sound waves. First is amplitude. The maximum displacement from the mean position is called amplitude. From the mean position. For example, this is a wave of crest and trough. This maximum displacement from mean position. This is mean position. This is maximum displacement. It is denoted by small a or capital A. It is also the amplitude, and its unit of A or capital A is meter. Second is wavelength. The distance between two consecutive particles which are in same phase. मतलब एग्जैक्ट डेफिनेशन इसमें हम ये बोल सकते हैं, कई सारी डेफिनेशन बनती है। वैसे अभी आपको पहले भी बताई थी मैंने कि क्रेस्ट और ट्रैफ के बीच की दूरी जो डिस्टेंस है दैट इज कॉल्ड वेवलेंथ लैम्डा, और कंप्रेशन एंड रेयरफेक्शन के बीच की डिस्टेंस को भी हम वेवलेंथ लैम्डा बोलते हैं। बट एग्जैक्ट डेफिनेशन इसमें ये हो सकती है कि डिस्टेंस बिटवीन two consecutive particles which are in same phase is called wavelength. For example, this is a wave with crest and trough. These are the two consecutive particles. One particle is here and distance from this mean position is x, and another particle which will be in the same phase will be this, and displacement of this particle from mean position will be again x in the same direction. So this length is denoted by wavelength lambda. कोई सा भी ले सकते हैं हम, यहाँ भी एक ऐसा पार्टिकल सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, एंड विच इज next consecutive particle will be this. Both are in same phase, equal displacement from the mean position, and distance between these two particles will be the wavelength equal to lambda, and unit of lambda is again meter. Time period. The time required to complete one vibration or to complete the one wavelength is called time period. It is denoted by capital T and its unit is second. Frequency. The number of vibrations or number of waves per unit time is called frequency. Per unit time. is called frequency. It is denoted by f, small n, mu, and unit of frequency is hertz. Unit of frequency, number of vibration per second. It is called hertz. Relation between frequency and time period. The time period is reciprocal of frequency. N is 1 by t or t is 1 by n, or we can say n into t will be equal to 1. Sound is mostly characterized by four parameters. One is pitch, loudness, quality and intensity. These all four are the most important characteristics of the sound. One is pitch, loudness, quality, intensity. All four are the most important characteristics of sound. The first characteristic is pitch. Pitch of the sound, which is the sensation of the frequency of an emitted sound. The pitch is directly related to the frequency. If the sound is of high frequency, it has the high pitch, and if it is low frequency, low जिसकी frequency कम होती है उसको हम बोलेंगे low pitch frequency, और जिसकी frequency ज़्यादा होती है उसको हम बोलेंगे high pitch. Pitch is the sensation of frequency, which is the sensation of frequency. It means if the sound is at of high frequency, high frequency sound is called high pitch sound or shrill sound.